Hi lovely people, and welcome back to another video here on this channel. If you're new here, my name's Shireen and I talk all things sewing and homemaking. So if that's something that's up your street, then I would love if you join the sewing family. So hit the bell and subscribe if you're new and you want to see some more. But today I thought I would take you along my day. I've got quite a few exciting things to be getting up to. The sun is finally out. Now, if any of you guys are in the UK, you know right now there has been so much rain. It's absolutely ridiculous for April. Not going to complain because the plants have been getting a lot of water, but I am waiting for that time to put my little seedlings out, and I've braved it with some of my tomatoes, but I've got some backed up just in case, and they seem to be okay, so fingers crossed. But yeah, it has put everything kind of in slow-mo with the gardening. So yeah, I have been getting a lot of sewing done since it's been raining. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update really of what I've been getting up to. So you may have already seen my previous video of what I brought to Mauritius in terms of me made outfits. This was one of them, and this is actually a thrift flip, and I absolutely loved it. I got so much wear out of it. So yeah, this one I wore so much, and I got so many compliments. There was this really lovely lady in the last hotel that we stayed at that was just in absolute awe of my dress, and she didn't even know that I made it. And when I told her, her jaw just dropped. But yeah, essentially it used to be a maxi length dress with a bandeau, no sleeves, and I've used one of the patterns for the puff sleeves, and it's now kind of just under the knee sort of length, which is like the perfect length that I like. Not too long, not too short, but kind of covering the knobbly knees. So yeah, I really love this one. If you want to see some more of this and the patterns that I used and stuff and all the other bits that I brought to Mauritius with me, then I'll pop that in a different video, which may already be up, so if it is, then I'll link it down below. But yeah, really love this one. Got so much wear of it so far, and I'm really tempted to make some more like this as well. Now onto what I'm wearing is one of my Me Made pieces, which you may have seen before if you've been around on my channel for a while, and it's this lovely Sloughy Gilet. I'll leave the pattern link down below, and it's got this lovely asymmetric sort of design with this kind of overlapped cowl sort of neckline, and you can do it all the way up as well, so you can do a bit of this and kind of zhuzh it around a little bit, and I love it. I think essentially it's like a really nice smart gilet, and this was actually supposed to be a toile, and this is just sort of a really cheap shirting fabric, but I have loved this so much, including the fabric choice actually, and I've been getting a lot of wear out of it. I would probably make a slight adjustment here because I think there is a little bit of tension in the wrong place, and I think it's mainly because I think the armhole needs to be slightly bigger for me. So if I adjust that, then that will be perfect. But yeah, I really love it. I think it's great. It keeps me really nice and warm, super stylish, and yeah, I just love it. You may have noticed the glow, which I'm holding on to for as long as possible. Mauritius was really lovely. The weather, the beach, the sea, just everything. So much activities to do, and I've definitely come back super recharged, super inspired. So we've got a really busy schedule lined up for videos, which I hope you really enjoy. So the plan is to do one sewing video a week plus a vlog sort of midweek. So yeah, let me know if there's anything in particular that you want to see, and I'll be sure to try and incorporate it into my future videos. So I'm going to get some gardening done today. Yesterday I did pop to the garden centre. Found some really beautiful perennials, which I'll show you a little bit later on. I need to pop them into bigger pots, and I might pop out later to get some bamboo sticks. Then for the afternoon, I'm hoping to get some sewing done. I think it's supposed to be a really nice day today, but yeah, I kind of did all the really big jobs last week in the rain, obviously. But yes, I think it's going to be a really fun day. I might take you along tomorrow as well, kind of see what we get up to, because I'm thinking tomorrow I might go thrift shopping. So let's see. I might go today. Let's see. I'm a spontaneous bee, in case you hadn't noticed. I can't plan my day out before it happens, because I'm kind of one of these people that I just need to see where the day takes me naturally, what I'm in the mood for, etc, etc. Let me know if you're the same. I'm hoping there's more of you out there than just me. But anyway, let's get on with the day. Guys, it's such a beautiful day outside. So I got a lot done. I don't like speaking in the garden because I can actually hear my neighbour on the other side of the fence, which is just really disconcerting. But anyway, so I did get a lot done. You may have seen from the clips that have just shown that I found some really lovely plants in Poundland. Now they were £2, so they're obviously £1, but actually I think they're pretty good. So yeah, I've potted those into, so they don't come with pots, they just kind of come wrapped in plastic, which I suppose is why they're so cheap, as they don't take that much space to transport. But yeah, watered them, repotted some of the flowers that I bought yesterday. I'm going to butcher the names of what they're called. I think one of the names it's known by is Shyster Daisy, sort of style flower, and one's is Osteospermum, I want to say. Both really beautiful, but they just need bigger pots so they can flourish a bit more. I also planted my strawberries in hanging baskets because I kind of want them to do a little wall situation, and I kind of want them to do a little bit of a wall situation all along the fence, which would be really, really cool. And then I tidied up some other baskets. So I added some ivy into some of the baskets, so there's a little bit of an overhang, a little bit of a drape, which looks really, really nice. And then yeah, just a little bit of tidying up really. There's still quite a bit that I wanted to do. It's super weird because yesterday I bought this arch for my Clematis to climb up, and I thought I bought it. I think I remember putting it on the conveyor belt, but then in my mind I can't track actually seeing it after that, and I checked my receipt and I hadn't paid for it. So unless the lady forgot to scan it, which is weird because it's so big, no one could have missed that. Yeah, I don't know, super weird. Anyway, I was really excited because I wanted to build it today so that I could start training up my Clematis up them, but hey ho. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is just have a look at some self-seeded bulbs and seeds in the garden and see if I can move them around, just to sort of neaten everything up a little bit. And then in terms of gardening, I think that's it for the day because it's a beautiful day, but yeah, I'm not really feeling doing any seed sowing today for some reason. So yeah, plus I don't really have any seed trays available. The seedlings doing very well, by the way. I probably should show you the update on those because they look so cute. But yeah, they're all kind of growing at different rates really, and yeah, I'm kind of stuck as to when to plant them out, etc, etc. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna grab a little something to eat. I don't know what I'm going to make. I might have a peanut butter bagel. But yeah, I'm gonna grab lunch. And then I do need to film some videos for you guys. And yeah, it's bank holiday weekend, so I'm just trying to bear in mind that obviously I can't really go to the shops tomorrow. But yeah, that's pretty much it otherwise. I'm really gutted about the arch. I really wanted to build the arch today, and that's what part of me is just thinking, should I go in and buy one? Let's have lunch and then we'll decide what we're going to do. Do you ever get this feeling, side note, and this might be a little bit rambly, do you ever get this feeling that you want to do so much in one day, yet you know you cannot fit all of it in, and then you just almost get paralysed that you don't do any of them? Does that make sense to anyone, or is that super just me? I don't know. But I just feel like there's so much that I want to do, and now I've just got stuck. Just got stuck and doing nothing. Please say that someone else feels this way. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I couldn't resist the arch, so I've now come out to go shopping, to go and get the arch, which procrastination at its finest. But yeah, I'm here now, so I'm gonna get some pots at the same time, some bamboo sticks and all the other jazz that I kind of want to pick up anyway, and hopefully I'll find this arch, fingers crossed, because I really want it. So I got the goods. I've got the arch. I'm just stopping off now at home base to hopefully see if they've got some bamboo sticks, but anyway, and a hanging basket, and then I'm gonna head off home. The procrastination needs to stop. Right, I'm back. So I've got the said arch. Let me show you what the drama was about. I also got some palm supports, which is very interesting. But yes, it's a Gothic shaped arch, and I really want my Clematis to climb all the way up here. I'm thinking of putting like the lilac one on one side and then the white ones on the other, and the kind of intermelange to be really nice. I did also get some really nice sewing bits, so I thought I would show you what I found. So this was in Home Bargains, and this is a weird little purchase, but I found these for like 99p, and I thought they were really nice for the garden. A little bird and a little bee. Look at those. I don't know where I'm popping them yet, but I thought even maybe in a pot or on a wall. I thought they looked cute, quite cute. And then I found this really nice cross stitch kit, which apparently fits in a frame, and it says it's good to be home, and I just thought it was really cute. The problem is that I have with cross stitching is that sometimes I feel like, although I enjoy the process, sometimes I just feel it's just, I'm not making something useful, which is probably a bad mindset to have. Not everything needs to be useful, but if I'm making like a decor piece for the home at the same time as me doing a craft, then that's even better. And I suppose that's the same as when I'm sewing garments and things. It's like there's a point to it, you know? You're creating something, you're enjoying the making process, you're really proud of it, but also you can wear it, and yeah, I don't know. Anyway, let me know if you think like me, but yeah, I thought this was really cute, and it was only £2.50, and yeah, really nice idea actually. Then I thought these were a steal. Now, I never know what you call these. Ada fabric to do cross stitching on. And they've got a cream and a sort of beige, a beige and a white. And this is £1.30, which usually they're quite expensive. This is for a 30 by 46 centimetre piece. And I thought that was a really good price, so got those. Then I found these super cute tape measures. Now I don't really need one, but I just thought these were quite pretty ones, and I think they were like 99p or something silly. So yeah, they're like got a fabric casing. It's actually really nice quality, kind of stitched around the edge, and yeah, I don't know how they've managed to do that, but yeah, it's completely sort of fabriced, encased. There's the button here for retracting. You got the ruler, obviously, and yeah, I just thought they were really nice designs. This one's sort of a monochrome version, which I also really like, and this actually has a matching pin cushion that goes with it, so I thought this was really adorable. Let's take this off. So yeah, really quite simple. I don't have a wrist one though, so I thought it'd be really handy to have. I may need to tighten the wrist part because I've got a really small hand, or could just wrap it around. No, too tight. Or I'll put it up higher. But yeah, I thought this would be really useful for when I'm sort of draping, and even better that it's matching. They did also have like a little sewing kit with like a zip around it for like travel. I just thought the stuff that was inside wasn't really great quality, although it was a cute case, and it was about £3.99. But yeah, this was like £1.50 I think, and yeah, the tape measure is 99p, which is just crazy. This is very random. Because the weather's getting a bit better, I got a lollipop maker. What else did I buy? Food. Oh, now I've seen this everywhere. So I got the seed lip, I got the little moons, the hazelnut and something or other. And yeah, so what I'm going to do now is get this all put away, and then we're going to be making the flower arch, which I'm super excited about. You know you become a millennial when this gets really exciting. The fact that I went shopping yesterday, thought I bought it, realised I didn't buy it, and then freak out and go out and buy it the next day and build it straight away. Your girl's excited. Anyway, let's get on with it, shall we? So it's very warm outside, so I decided to change into a dress, and this is my me-made dress that I made using Jess Dang's tutorial, and it's in this really lovely seersucker gingham fabric, and I really love the sleeves on this. I love the ballooning and the shed detail and the sleeve. Super convenient and practical and nice for when the weather is quite warm like today. So I'm going to get out into the garden and let's get started on this arch. Hi guys, it's actually another day. Yesterday while I was in the garden, the battery died and my hands were so grubby and I was like, perfect timing. But yeah, I got a lot of things done yesterday, a lot of rearranging of plants. I managed to build my arch and yeah, I started to train up my Clematis up one side. The end goal is to have Clematis on one side and beans on the other, and hopefully they kind of merge together. Who knows when that's going to happen. But yes, I did do a little bit of gardening this morning, but I do think I'm going to end the video here because I think it's been quite a long one. I'm actually going to start editing this video now, and I've got a cup of coffee and my McVitie Blissfuls at the ready. And yeah, thanks for joining me on this daily vlog, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.